Hello guys, today we will learn how we can deploy a Python project on Render. So let's get started. So let me tell you about the project. I have created a Flask project uh, that we upload on GitHub. From GitHub we will deploy this project on Render. So let's run this code in local. I will run this code in VS Code. So let's open VS Code first. So this is the project. Let me open the project. This is the basic Python Flask application I have created, and I also created a HTML file, HTML, and this is the requirement.txt. So let's run this code and let's see the code first. Let's activate the environment, chatbot. Okay, script and activate. Okay, so let's run this Python file. Um, this is the project, guys. As you can see, this is the marks calculator. I have created a simple marks calculator here. Let's see, is it working fine or not. Let me enter marks. So let's calculate. Yeah, it's working fine. So we can deploy this project, but let's see the requirement.txt. We need to upload the requirement.txt. We want to If we want to deploy this project, then we should have requirement.txt, and we need to mention the version or name of dependencies that we used in this project. So I have mentioned Flask and Gunicon. So these two libraries or Python or mod or dependencies we need for this project. And this is the Python application, and this is HTML code. I have used bootstrap, so it looks good. It is looking good. So let's see how we can deploy this, but first we need to upload this project on GitHub. Then from GitHub we will deploy this on Render. So let's upload this on GitHub. Okay, this is the GitHub. Let me create new repository. Let's create new repository. Let's name Flask. Flask project. Let's name the description. Let's add the description here. This is a simple flask project. Okay, let's create a readme file, and okay, that's it. Okay, we can create this repository. Yes, so let's upload the files. We can also upload with git commands, but I will upload manually. So let's upload these files. Okay, so just okay, we can just drag and drop the files here. We need HTML templates, so let's click on this. Okay, let's click this file also, and requirement.txt. Yeah, so we need only these three files. One is the folder, template folder, and app.py and requirement.txt. Okay, let's name the files project files and commit changes. Okay, our repository and files has been uploaded. So let's uh, let's open Render so we can see the deployment process. Now we just need to connect this repository with Render, then we can upload or deploy this project. So let's open Render. Okay, so let's go into the dashboard. First you need to log in or sign up for render, then you can deploy your project. Go to dashboard and select deploy a web service. Here is the repository. It will automatically fetch all your GitHub repositories. So I will go with, we have recently created this repository Flask project, so we will go this with okay, it's selected, and now we can go click to connect. Okay, this is the name of the repository, and it is automatically fetching the details. The language is Python and branch is main, it is GitHub branch, and origin. Okay, and requirement.txt, we have already mentioned requirement.txt, and the Gunicon app. So you need to mention your app Python py file name here. Like I have created app.py file, so I mention, I don't need to mention the name because it is already showing the name. So let me click on free. We are using free, we are uploading on free basis, so let's click on free. Okay, so I think it is done now. Let me check once again. Okay, I think we have done. So we can click on deploy web services. Okay, I think it's look good. So just click on deploy web services. On render, guys, it's very easy to deploy any Flask application or any Python application. So but you need to first upload your files on GitHub, so you can deploy these on render. So it's building, it's installing our dependencies like Flask and Gunicon. So it is installing, or okay, it's showing that this is showing downloading status. We have already mentioned Flask version in the requirement.txt. So let's progress. It's progressing, and okay, it's showing status live. So our website or our Python project is deployed on render, so anyone can see our project. So let's click this is the URL of our project. So let's copy this URL and let's paste on here, so we can run our project from here. So yeah, this is working fine. Let's check whether it's working or not. Yeah guys, it's working fine. Our project is successfully deployed on render. So yeah, this is the video guys. As you can see, we can easily deploy Python application on render in small steps. So this is the project. If you like this video, so please like and share to my channel. Thank you.